Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A17, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Okay, if you want to improve the battery life of your device, firstly you need to turn off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open your control panel. And let's take a closer look at all the items. Of course, firstly you can reduce the brightness of your screen because screen use a lot of battery power. Okay, so then find your network. Here you have Wi-Fi and mobile network. I have no SIM card, so I have no available mobile network settings. But if you're using Wi-Fi only and if you not use mobile network now, disable mobile network. This will save your battery and the phone will not search for an unused networks. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Next, pay attention to Bluetooth. Here we have Bluetooth. And if you are not using Bluetooth devices now, so just disable Bluetooth, because if your Bluetooth is enabled, your device searching for new nearby devices every moment, every second. Okay, so moving on, Android has geolocation services enabled by default, so this consumes a lot of your battery power. To turn off geolocation recognition, click on the pencil icon if you have no location here. If you have no location button here, just click on pencil button, find location here, and click on plus button. I have location in my control panel, so I can disable it by clicking it. Great, cool. So the next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to turn on the power saving mode, just open settings, scroll down, find battery here, click power saving mode and enable it. Okay, power saving mode was successfully enabled. In this mode your phone uses less RAM, which means less battery power, of course. In addition, power saving mode reduced the runtime on your screen when screen is on, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. And if you only need your phone to make calls and you need it to last as long as possible, then I recommend you to turn on the super power saving feature. Enable it, click turn on, wait a while, and great. As you can see, in this mode we have limited number of applications available to us. You can add to 3 more applications by clicking the icon plus, but I don't recommend doing this as adding power hungry applications because this application makes super power mode useless. So in super power saving mode your phone will work so long as possible. So if you want to turn off super power saving mode, just click on the exit button on the left top corner and click exit super power saving mode. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.